In this video, I will provide a clear and professional explanation of sales executive role and responsibilities in US staffing. So first we understand introduction of sales executive. A sales executive in US staffing work with American companies to provide them skilled candidates. They find clients, build relationships, get job requirements, and make sure the positions are filled by the recruiting team. In short, they are the bridge between client and staffing company. Next is main role and responsibilities. So first is lead generation. Here, they search for new US clients who need hiring support. They use LinkedIn, job boards, cold calls, emails, and networking, and build a client list and pipeline. Example, a sales executive finds a US tech company hiring Java developer and contact their HR or hiring manager. Next is cold calling and email outreach. Here, they call or email potential clients, introduce their staffing services, share company profile, pricing, and capabilities. Their goal, convert a new client into a business opportunity. Next is understanding client requirements. So they speak with hiring managers, understand job description, budget, visa type, skill required, clarify timelines and number of positions. Example, client needs 5 US-based data engineer on W2 within 2 weeks. Next is coordinating with the recruiting team. They pass the requirement to the recruiters, explain client expectation, follow up on profiles, submissions, interviews, and feedback. In short, clients need fast response, so sales ensures recruiters work with priority. Next is negotiation. They finalize pricing, W2 rate, COP-to-COP rate, or full-time payroll cost, discuss payment terms, net 30 or net 45, handle objection confidently. Example, clients want $55 per hour, but recruiter team consultants need $50 per hour. Then sales negotiate to close the deal. Next is closing the deal, like signing contract, MSA, SOW, vendor agreement, onboarding client on VMS if required, submit candidates officially. In short, this stage turns a lead into real business. Next is maintaining client relationship, like regular follow-ups, taking feedback on submission and interviews, solving any issues with billing or performance, upsell more positions. In short, happy client, continuous business. Next is meeting monthly target. Every sales executive has client acquisition target, submission targets, revenue or billing targets. In short, higher performance incentives plus commission plus growth. Next is skill required. To succeed in US staffing sales, you need excellent English communication, LinkedIn knowledge, cold calling confidence, negotiation plus presentation skills, understanding of US time zones, tax term and visa, W2, COP-to-COP, 1099, H1B, OPT, CPT, GC, US citizen. Next is why US staffing sales is powerful. Because high commissions, fast career growth, work with international clients, high demand industry, great earning opportunity. Next is conclusions. So US staffing sales executive does not just make a call. They bring clients, generate revenue, help companies hire faster and drive business growth. If you found this useful, like, share and subscribe for more career and US staffing videos. Thank you for watching.